What's up? What's what's up, guys? My trade recap for February 13th, 2025. It's really quick. Just today, going over today. Um, Coming into market open today at 9 o'clock, 9:30. I saw that we're in an uptrend. Why we're in an uptrend? Because my screen is actually hard to see. But hold on, give me a second, guys. Okay, so coming into today, market open, I saw that we're in an uptrend. Why we're in an uptrend? Because we had this high right here. I move up, then I move down. I saw we close above it on this candle, so we were in an uptrend by my because I said so. Yeah, so we're in an uptrend and coming into market open, I saw that we're doing like a kind of retracement right here. I was looking for buys, but I wasn't really too stuck on the buys, the bullish bias. But coming into today, I saw that we're breaking structure on the 1 hour chart. So I went onto my 5 minute chart. I was looking for like trades. I was saying that, all right, if price close above this order block right here, I'm bullish, and we're going to see what really took place in my mind today. So today we saw the order block. I marked that out. I was saying that I was going to take my trade off the order block. I was going to put my stop above it, and I was looking for shorts actually because I saw that we come with that we made the order block right here on this candle. Price touched the order block and we got selling pressure out of it. And coming into market open and to my macro, I saw that price was reaching up into the order block. So I said, okay, we'll have one more leg down, and that's what I was going for. On this trade though, I put my stop right here above the order block, and I saw a price was basically going to take me out of my position. So let me just go down to my 1 minute chart because that's what I look on while trading. But I put my stop right here. So my reason for coming out of this trade was that when I saw price came up here the first time, and this is actually more over. So when I saw price came up into the order block the first time, I was expecting price to just go all the way to my targets, but price did this right here, and this is what actually this led me to believing that okay, probably price is not going to really go as low as I think it could or want it to. So when I saw this and I saw the big movement out of it, I was saying, "Whoa, price is respecting this order block right here, and price is basically respecting this is a fair value gap, I believe, a fair value gap. So price is respecting it. So I was saying, look like price going to go higher. So for my first trade, I ended up I put my stop here, but my stop actually didn't get hit, But what actually happened is that when I saw price coming up right here, so I decided I was going to take off half my positions once it kind of came back down because I was very like saying that price is not going in my direction today. So I want to at least minimize the loss that I'm going to take. So once it came up all the way up here to the top of the order block, I saw that okay, I'm basically like edging my stop loss right here. So when I saw that price gave me like the opportunity to like take out some when price did the down candle right here, I took off like half of my positions right here, and the other half I took out some like right a little bit up here. So and I ended up closing my whole position like somewhere around here. But go looking on it now, I should have really just took the loss because as you see, price didn't really hit my stop loss and it still went to my target. So I could have profited from this trade. But the reason why I came out as well is because I said that I'm waiting for price to close above this order block, and once it closed above this order block, I was going to click buy, and that was my mentality. So I was waiting on this to happen, and I said that at least I minimize my risk. So on my next trade, I can just risk back the other half that I had on for this that I took off. I will just risk that half back to try to at least like break even or make back some profit for today. But looking back now, this is the trade. I should have really just stuck in it, but I can't really say that I knew what price was going to happen because today was kind of like choppy. Like price wasn't really moving as how price wasn't really moving to any liquidity like at the time. But I was waiting for price to close above this order block, and this was my first trade. It ended up being a loss. Um, but it could have not been a loss. So I guess what I should have done is just I should have just take the loss if I was going to get it instead of closing my position early. But it's not that bad because I lose like half of what I normally would lose. But coming into today again, I was waiting for this. As I said, I told you guys I was waiting for price to close above the order block, and I would be looking for buys, and that's what I was waiting for. Unfortunately, I got my alert, but I never really feel like I did want to press to come into this trade. So I saw it came up here and I was saying, okay, I want to enter, but price already kind of leaving. So I never really get to enter down here, which is what I really wanted. But it would have ended up being my favor though. But you know, I just never get that. So and honestly, I think price is going for this liquidity right here. So probably should have stayed, but you know, this is just a loss or a lesson I took today to stay in my trades. And when you see things like these, like stick to your bias. So I was waiting until PM session, which is when it actually took place, and I could have gotten this trade, but I wasn't really feeling anymore to trade. So this is why I never took this trade, even though it, as you see, it's in my favor. So both times today I was right. It's just I ended up being like fearful. So this is what I should take away from today. I was being overly fearful in the markets today, which is what led me to not make money today when I could have made money. But yeah, this is my trade recap for today. It's kind of short because I just want to kind of deal with my business right now. But yeah, this is my trade recap for February 13th.